Now here is how we can set a time limit in YouTube on your Android phone. So let me explain it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course you have some more ways how you can approach this. At first, if we go directly to the YouTube app and in your profile, we have the ability to tap on the settings in at the top right, and you can find the time management right here. And this is going to give you some reminder options and a daily limits, right? So you can see we have the remind me when it's bedtime and remind me to take a break. So you can enable this option to kind of like manage your usage. And at the bottom, you also have the daily limit. So we have the shorts feed limit, and you can choose the amount of time in here. So these are the settings which we have available using the built-in tools. Outside of this, we also have the tools which are not part of the YouTube app itself, but part of the actual phone. And when you go to your settings, you can manage them right like this. So you are on the main settings page, you scroll down to the bottom, and you need to find the digital well-being and parental controls like this. And this is going to give you the breakdown of the time spent in the individual apps, and you can see the app timers below. So you can expand it like this. Click on a plus to start a new timer, and you will have the ability to find so many different apps. So you have like different categories like games and stuff, right? And you also have the ability to find most definitely all of the apps, right? So YouTube is definitely going to be part of this list. So you can tap on it like this, set the timer to however long you really want it to be, and you can also choose it for specific days of the week only. So that's how you can set it up, and yeah, that's how you can set up the time limit. So let me know if it works out well for you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.